Here, age, gender, BMI, income level, sugar, cons, heart disease. Sometimes we can't understand. So we have to set the variable label. For example, here age is equal to age in year, gender is equal to gender, BMI is equal to body mass index, income level is equal to income level, sugar cons means sugar consumption, heart disease means heart disease. So we should give the variable label. So var label that list. Why list? Because we will give the all variable label one by one. First is equal to age in years. So first we run this. Any error? Okay, no error. We can check. Yeah, age in year. Second is gender. Gender is equal to gender of participants. Participants. Yes, we can check. Yes, this gender of participants. So using this procedure, we can add all, but we will copy since yes, now run. Yes, now we can add the variable label.